Cardi B hasn't even dropped her hair care line yet, and people are already judging it. So, let's talk about it while I recreate her latest makeup look. Today, we're doing a Cardi B inspired soft glam look while we talk about her new hair care line that's dropping April 15th. Yes, April 15th. Now, I have been seeing a lot of opinions online and I have some thoughts about it as well. So, if you don't know, Cardi B is launching her own hair care line. It's called Grow Good. And what caught my attention is the pricing. She said it's going to be around $15 to $20. And honestly, that's affordable compared to a lot of celebrity brands like Beyonce, with Tracy Ellis, and many more. They charge more. And that is like reasonable prices with popular hair brands like Haircare, Nairobi, and Mazzani, and their products cost around the same amount. So a lot of people are judging it, but at the same time, I'm feeling like it's really good because she cares and she's not trying to be greedy for money. That's my honest opinion. Because let's be real, some celebrity brands, y'all know they be sky high and they're just too much. But here's where the conversation really gets messy. People are already side-eyeing her and it's not even out yet. Some people are bringing up things she said in the past, especially about black women, how she talk about black women. And I'm not going to lie, that's why a lot of people are hesitant. But I'm going to say for myself, I'm not hesitant. And a lot of people are probably going to get mad and have opinions. But in the black community, we don't respect one another. We are so nasty to one another. And we feel like, oh, it's okay because we're black. Especially saying the N-word. But it's not okay because we're not respecting one another. We're bringing each other down. So they only hear things like that from us black people. And people don't want to see that. And in my honest opinion, I love Cardi B. She's not a bad person. In my opinion, she's been through a lot. But she has grown up a little bit more over the years. And seeing this product line, and she took 3 years to really, try to understand it and understanding the material, the ingredients that make sure everyone can use it. And I love that. And she wanted everyone's hair to grow butt length like hers. But here's my thing. I feel like sometimes in the black community as well, like I just said, that we don't always support each other the way we should. Like, we're quick to judge, quick to tear down, but not always quick to uplift. And I'm actually proud of her for stepping into her hair care, especially making it affordable because everybody can afford those high prices, celebrity brands. Now, am I going to try it? I might, because I'm very curious, because I just want to see, is it for natural hair, relaxed hair, 4C hair? Like, what is really giving? Because you guys know I did try out Baskin Ladder brand, and that wasn't a good look. It brought my hair out so bad. But I want to see, because her hair is very coarse, and it's long. So I want to see, because it's not a lot of hair care brands that's good anymore. It's a lot that have changed the ingredients, the packaging, and it's not good. So I really want a good brand that really helps black women hair. So let's see. But one thing I will say, I'm excited to see how this actually performs when it drops on April 15th. So everybody that's talking, oh, I'm not going to get it, she say this and that. Okay, you have other celebrities that are black that talk down on blacks, that think they're better than blacks. Like, come on now, we better than that. But I'm very excited. And listen, when this hair line drops on April 15th, look, we might have to do a comeback for a full review of, reaction of other people, how people love it and how it makes their hair feel. Do it make it soft? Does it give enough moisturizer in it? I'm really am excited because I want some products that give moisturize and help cut the breakage and everything. So that's how I feel, and I hope that this new beginning for Cardi B will actually be great and stop all the negativity. And I'm going to be real with you all. Because me working at the beauty supply store, I see what people actually buy, and people love affordable products that actually work. So if Cardi B really made something for $15 to $20 that's good quality, this could actually do numbers, because not everybody can afford those $40, $50, $60, even up to $100 products. Like, you got to buy the whole line: the shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, hair treatment, heat protectant. I mean, you name it, to make sure that your hair is in sync with the products. And let's talk about celebrity brands for a second. Some of them come out so super expensive and people buy it just because of the name, but then sometimes the quality don't match the price. So I feel like Cardi going the affordable route is actually smart. She's a very smart woman. Now, when it comes to what people are saying about her past, I understand why people feel that way. They do, and I do understand. But I also feel like people grow, and people are growing up, and people are changing, okay? It may not be perfect, but give this woman a chance. No one's not perfect, and it's okay. We can, correct and say, hey, I don't like for us to be called that. We all not the same, and we don't have to be nasty with it. And sometimes we don't give people space to grow, especially in the Black community. And I'm not saying ignore everything, but I am saying let's see what she create first. Because at the end of the day, the product got to speak for itself. So if everybody coming out here saying they love it, they hate it, I feel like she would do excellent numbers. And her hair care line is, I feel like, in my opinion, is going to do excellent. My biggest question is, who is this for? Is it for natural hair, relaxed hair, 4C hair, wigs, protective styles? Because it works for our hair types, then that's a big deal. April 15th is really going to tell us everything, because that's when the real reviews will start. And y'all already know I'm going to be watching again. So if y'all want me to do a reaction or talk about Miss Cardi B new hair care line when it drops, put a point to the screen. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, hype my video up if you guys want to see a part 2 to it. And this is my Cardi B inspired soft glam look, because I might come back with a full review. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe.
Beauty creators deserve graphics that represent them. This stylish Black beauty creator sticker celebrates confidence, glam, and creativity. Head to gumroad.com.